Hello, Mother Goose Club.
We have all these boxes to play with. We're gonna sing Riding the Train while pretending these boxes are train cars.
I'm going to be the conductor.
I'll be the engineer.
And I'll be the passenger.
All aboard! Riding the train, chugga, chugga, riding the train, choo, choo.
Riding the train, chugga, chugga, riding the train, choo, choo.
Follow the tracks, chugga, chugga. Follow the tracks, click, clack.
Follow the tracks, chugga, chugga, follow the tracks, click, clack.
Into the tunnel, chugga, chugga, into the tunnel, woo, woo.
Into the tunnel, chugga, chugga, into the tunnel, woo, woo.
Railroad crossing, chugga, chugga, ring the bell, ding dong.
Railroad crossing, chugga, chugga, ring the bell, ding dong.
Riding the train, chugga, chugga, riding the train, choo, choo.
Riding the train, chugga, chugga, riding the train, choo, choo.
That was so much fun.
Have you ever taken a ride on a train?
Some people who live in cities have trains that run underground.
Those are called subways.
Trains help some people get to work in the morning.
Uh-oh, it looks like our train is departing.
Thanks for rhyming with us.
Bye!
Chugga,
Chugga, chugga, chugga, chugga.
chugga, 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 chugga.
Hi, Mother Goose Club! We're pretending we're at the train station, and I'm an engineer. And I'm a train. Check out my whistle. Toot, toot. Hey, I got a great idea. Let's sing Down by the Station. Yeah! Down by the station early in the morning, see the little train cars all in a row. Listen to the engineer pull the big whistle. Toot, 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 off we go. Chugga, 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 chugga. Down by the station early in the afternoon, see the little train cars all in a row. Listen to the engineer pull the big whistle. Toot, 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 off we go. Chugga, 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 chugga. Down by the station early in the evening, see the little train cars all in a row. Listen to the engineer pull the big whistle. Toot, 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 off we go. Time for this train to head to a shed to get some sleep. Great job riding with us. Goodbye. Wait, the shed is this way.
Beep, beep. Hi there. We're driving in our pretend cars.
Everybody ready to go?
Let's make sure the gas tank is full.
And let's check the tires. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, they're all there.
Everyone put your seatbelt on.
And check to see if the road is clear.
And here we go.
Driving in my car, going very far, down the street in my car. Driving in my car, going very far, down the street in my car. Bouncing on a bumpy road, stopping for a hopping toad.
Going to my favorite park.
Hurry before it gets dark. In my car. In my car. Driving in my car, going very far, down the street in my car. Driving in my car, going very far, down the street in my car. Bouncing on a bumpy road, stopping for a hopping toad. Going to my favorite park. Hurry before it gets dark. In my car. in my car. Driving in my car. Driving in my car. Driving in my car. Driving.
When I'm done driving, I park the car. Beep, beep. And I lock it when I leave. Click.
Did you know you can make a car just like ours?
Just ask a friend or a family member to help you put it together.
Thanks for singing with us.
Hi, Mother Goose Club. My cousin Lucas and I are going on a trip to New York City. We're taking an airplane. That's right, Ethan. And we're going to take a helicopter tour while we're there. We made up a rhyme about it. Would you like to hear it? Great! Airplanes and helicopters in the sky. Airplanes and helicopters fly, fly, fly. Airplanes and helicopters up so high. Airplanes and helicopters fly, fly, fly. Airplanes have wings, they glide through the air. They take you on vacation, I wanna go there. Zooming through the clouds, we're going very fast. We fasten our seatbelts, we're having a blast. Airplanes and helicopters. Airplanes and helicopters in the sky. Airplanes and helicopters fly, fly, fly. Airplanes and helicopters up so high. Airplanes and helicopters fly, fly, fly. Have you ever flown on an airplane? Where did you go? Let us know. We would love to hear about your trip. See you next time. Our plane's about to board. Let's go. Bye, Mother Goose Club. Vroom, 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 vroom. Screech! Hello, and welcome to the Mother Goose Club Dress Up Theater. Today, I'm a bus driver, and I'm on my way to pick up my Dress Up Theater friends. Would you like to come along and sing the Wheels on the Bus with me? Great! Climb aboard. Be sure to buckle your seatbelt. Click! Let's go! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through town. Hey, it's Johnny Johnny from Johnny Johnny Yes Papa. Vroom vroom. Screech. Hey Johnny Johnny, need a ride?
Hi, bus driver. I sure do.
We'll climb aboard. Make sure to buckle your seatbelt.
Click. Ready.
Let's go. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. Stopping for a passenger, hit the brakes. Screech!
Hey, it's Lazy Mary.
Do you need a ride? Yes, I do. May I climb aboard? Absolutely. Just be sure to buckle up. Click. I always get sleepy on bus rides. I think I'll just... The people on the bus go shh, 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 shh. The people on the bus go shh, 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 all through the town. Screech! Oops, didn't mean to fall asleep. Who are you picking up? I don't know. This is the next stop, but I don't see anybody.
Boogly boo!
Ah! I scared you. You sure did, Blanket Monster. Do you want to ride with us? Yes, please.
But please, no more scaring.
Fine.
Make sure to buckle your seatbelt. Click. That's all my passengers. Let's go. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Hi, Mother Goose Club. Can you guess what we're going to do with this big cardboard box? No? Wait right there. We'll show you. You got it. We made a pirate ship, and we're about to sing an old sea shanty. Join us.
Yarr!
Arg! Ahoy, mateys! Come all ye young fellers that follow the sea. Yo-ho, blow the man down. Now just pay attention and listen to me. Give me some time to blow the man down. Oh, blow the man down, pirates, blow the man down. Yo-ho, blow the man down. Blow the man down, pirates, blow him right down. Give me some time to blow the man down.
Aboard the Black Clipper, I first served my time. Yo-ho, blow the man down. But on the Black Clipper, I wasted my time.
Give me some time to blow the man down. Oh, blow the man down, pirates, blow the man down. Yo-ho, blow the man down. Oh, blow the man down, pirates, blow him right down. Give me some time to blow the man down. We tinkers and tailors and sailors and all. Yo-ho, blow the man down.
That sails for good seamen aboard the Black Ball.
Give me some time to blow the man down. Oh, blow the man down, pirates, blow the man down. Yo-ho, blow the man down. Blow the man down, pirates, blow him right down. Give me some time to blow the man down.
Arrgh! That was so much fun.
Let's sail over yonder.
Ahoy, treasure! Farewell, Mother Goose Club.
Hi, Mother Goose Club. My favorite song is The Wheels on the Bus. Would you like to sing it with me? Great. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The door on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The door on the bus goes open and shut, all through the town. The driver on the bus goes move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus goes move on back, all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The baby on the bus goes wah, 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 wah. The baby on the bus goes wah, 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 all through the town. The mommy on the bus goes shh, 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 shh. The mommy on the bus goes shh, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, with me. That was fun.
Hi, Mother Goose Club. Do you like cars? My little brother and I are playing auto mechanic. And you can play too if you'd like.
Phew. Hello, are you the mechanic?
Yep. What's the problem?
My car won't work. Can you fix it?
Sure. Let's check out its parts and see what the problem is. First, I better take a look at these wheels. The wheels on the car go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the car go round and round, all through the town.
It's not the wheels. Maybe there's something wrong with the doors.
Maybe. The door on the car goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The door on the car goes open and shut, all through the town. Let's listen to the engine and make sure everything sounds okay. The engine on the car goes vroom, 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 vroom. The engine on the car goes vroom, 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 all through the town. Wow, the engine is loud, but I love the sound the horn makes too. The horn on the car goes honk, 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 honk. The horn on the car goes honk, 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 all through the town.
We need to make sure our wipers work for when it rains.
The wipers on the car go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the car go swish, 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 all through the town. Everything looks okay here. Let's try the wheels one more time. The wheels on the car go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the car go round and round, all through the town.
Well, what do you think's wrong with it?
A flat tire. You just need a new wheel. And now your car's all fixed.
Awesome! Want to drive over to the pizza restaurant to celebrate with me?
Yeah, let's go.
Well, we're off. Goodbye.
Bye. Thanks for playing with us.
Mother Goose Club Playhouse.